Alright, I want to clean the fork tubes, or the seals for the fork, because I don't think they really need to be replaced. But to get to them, as you can see right here, this fender and all this assembly, the front cover and all that is blocking my, and I want to take it off anyway because I want to fix the speedometer cable. So to start off, we have to take the brake cover off, and up in here, it's hard to see, 5mm hex nut, hex bolt, or whatever you want to call it. So set this back here so you all can watch if you want. Let's get in there and do that. So there's one on this side and one back here, and that takes this part off, as far as I can tell. Oh, and off it comes. Alright, now the other one is in the back. It's back here. Looks like I need a big old... I can actually reach with my fingers. And there you have it. So that comes off, but there's a screw here holding this mud flap on. Let me get a Phillips screwdriver. Alright. And some screwdrivers. There's a screw back here on holding this piece onto like a rubber mud flap. Soft plastic mud flap. Take that out. Oh. The washer, kind of a thing back. Well, shit. That's not working out. So maybe we'll just take the other side out too. Just take it all off in one piece. This hasn't fallen out. Alright. There we go. And one more back here. There we go. There we go. There's that. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, evidently that fits in that little grommet. I'm going to take that off and hold on to it. There's the brake line coming in on this side. Speedometer cable coming in on this side. Oh. It's worn in a couple of spots. Oh, it's broken. Alright, well, at least I know what I gotta do there. Need a new speedometer cable. You can feel a big bulge up here. So here we are. Main reason I got this off was to both pull these dust covers, and I've got a little tool that I made to clean out the seals. But then the other reason was to check on this speedometer cable, and it's come up out of its there's a little metal ring here that's supposed to hold it in place, another metal ring here, and it is not in its little contraption. So as you can see here, is rubbed through in two different places, and you can feel in both places where it's bulged out because it rusted inside, and right here you can feel that it's broken. So this whole thing needs to be replaced. Luckily on Amazon you can buy them, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this off too. I think there's a bolt here and a bolt there on each side, so we'll do that, and then clean those fork seals. I got it cleaned up a little bit. There's still some gunk. This was really caked with crud. Evidently they had not gotten in there for a long time. My friend Mark, as handy as he claims to be, did not get up under here, and that's why the speedometer cable, which has probably been busted for a long time because it looks pretty rough. So we're going to clean these fork tube seals. I use this little tool. I've seen 100 of these on, I mean, you don't really need to watch. There are 100 videos on how to do this. You make yourself a little tool, cut this out of a shampoo bottle. You use your little screwdriver to pry up these dust caps, which evidently didn't do a very good job. You clean this off really well. There's actually no fork tube, there's no oil in here. I guess it doesn't, yeah, there is a little bit in there. So clean that out, because it's probably pretty dirty. Do as good a job as we can getting that cleaned out. Oh yeah, there's some gunk in there. Because this has not been cleaned for a long time. All that dirt, that's the trouble with, I think that's part of the problem with these. A lot of bikes have this part on the top, so gunk doesn't just settle down in there. Well, we're going to clean it out. Oh yeah. Rather than replace them like I originally thought we had to do. We're just going to clean the seals. There's not too much gunk. I don't see it. It's not really dribbling out. It's not really leaking too bad. It was this one. It was the right one that was giving me problems. The left one looked okay. I'm going to clean them both anyway. Let's keep them both at least marginally clean before we start. Alright. So what you do is you take your little tool and you have to slip it down. Didn't get my glasses. And get it down in there. So this one isn't doing it like I thought it would. Then you use your strength to scoot it all the way around. If you can, which I'm having some problems with, both directions. I'm not sure I'm getting far enough down in there, but yeah. All right, I think I'll leave that the way it is, and let what they say is bounce up and down on it to reseat those seals. Wipe this off. I think we're in good shape. Let me put the dust boot back down. Alright. Maybe I will go for a ride. And there you have it. I think I'm going to leave all this fairing off for a little while. I'm going to get it cleaned up and maybe paint it. At least leave this cover off and get it cleaned up because it's really grimy inside. And start painting it, and maybe take the side covers off and paint those at the same time because they're easy to take on and off. So that's where we are. Catch you later.